Hello, we are the Inventing Dragons. Our net is called the Net of Epicness.
It is 7 feet tall and 7.5 feet wide. It will be portable and weatherproof.
Floosh, floosh. Perfect,
Stop it.
still standing. The real goal will be made out of PVC pipe, a net from the store, or made out of rope. We will also be using wooden stakes to hold it down. The wooden stakes will make it durable and withstand worse weather. Unless it hails, which will not happen in Phoenix, Arizona.
Hopefully.
It will be functional cause it will be built well. Hello, my name is Chili Pepper. He's our model. As you can see, the net is clearly beautiful. It will be very light, I think. Yes, it will be very light. Goodbye. That makes it portable. Thanks.